In a world where evil corrupts the world.
I am Hitman. And I'm Hitman's brother.
No, please don't!
I'm Rick James. I'm Rick James, witch!
Months that followed, life for the hitman and his brother were very dangerous indeed.
Your 3 o'clock has arrived.
Bring them in. Why, hello, gentlemen.
Hello, sir.
And your guns.
You want me to know my bodyguard?
Yes, yes, I do.
Can I go to the bathroom? Where's the bathroom?
First door on the left.
Thanks. He suffers from major constipation.
I am sorry. Well,
Fatigue.
thank you.
I forgot to look at my pistol. Keep it! Keep it.
Are you alright, brother?
Well, let's get to the point.
Yes.
I have a proposition for you.
Yes.
You do know Wiley Manbaum?
Oh. Yes.
He's a crack dealer in Puerto Rico, and he is also a pimp. Anyway, are you willing to take the job?
Yes, yes, we are. The money, though. The money.
We will be paying you after the job is complete.
Right, of course.
$5 million. Cash.
We'll have to talk this over. Yes! We will do the job.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Yes, pleasure. See you later.
See.
Take your pistol. I will.
Teddy, will you please turn on my SpongeBob?
I'll go check it out.
Yeah! Did you hear that? Did you smell that? Check it out! Okay.
Sayonara.
There he is! Oh my god!
You sick son of a witch!
Tell Mom. Fuck you!
Go away! I see yours is bigger than mine.
It always has been. It always will be.
It's time to die. Oh, god dang. Silent but deadly.
Your 3 a.m. has arrived.
No, stop that! Hear that?
Your 3 o'clock has arrived.
Bring them in. Why, hello, gentlemen.
Hello, sir.
Take your guns.
I'm just watching this.
Give a bathroom.
First one. Don't be long.
He suffers from major constipation.
I'm so sorry.
Oh. Dang it. I forgot the pistol in there.
Are you kidding?
Wiley!
Wiley!
Your 3 o'clock has arrived.
Bring them in.